Why do 80% of travelers say they wish they had planned their trip better? Let's change that. First, choose your dream destination. Is it the beaches of Bali, the streets of Paris, or the wilds of Africa? Research is key. Check out travel blogs, watch videos, and read reviews. Next, let's talk budgeting. Set a realistic budget. Include flights, accommodation, food, and fun. Don't forget to factor in a little extra for those unexpected adventures. Now, create your itinerary. List must-see sites, activities, and some relaxation time. Balance is crucial. Mix in some spontaneity with your planned activities. Finally, book your essentials: flights, hotels, and any major attractions. Early bookings can save you time and money. And there you have it. Your dream vacation is just a few steps away. Happy travels!